You don't actually believe a single word I'm saying, do you? Oh, sure, of course I believe you. Great. Just repeat the words I'm about to say, all right? Moon, prism, power, makeup. Right. Moon, prism.
Hello, beautifuls. Today I'll be trying out the All That Glitters palette from Colourpop. I'll be trying out every single shade. There is a total of 4 times 3 is 12. Yeah. I'll be trying out all 12 shades on my eyelids as well as showing you guys swatches. So if you would like to see, just keep watching.
You don't actually believe a single word I'm saying, do you? Oh, sure, of course I believe you. Great. Just repeat the words I'm about to say, all right? Moon, prism, power, makeup. Right. Moon, prism, power, makeup. Strange things are happening in this city. Even the police can't handle what's going on. A dangerous enemy has appeared. You're the only one who can defeat this enemy. You're the guardian that's been chosen for this mission.
guys enjoyed all of those swatches. Fortunately for this palette, the glitter is extremely easy to remove. All you need to do is wash it off with soap and water. It is not difficult. You are not gonna have to like scrub and all that jazz. Even when it's on your fingers, you just go in and wash your hands like you normally do, and then it's completely removed. I love this palette so much. This is like a heaven sent makeup item for me. It is a heaven sent product for a lazy eyeshadow girl like me. I love this palette so much that I think once I'm done with it, I will definitely repurchase it. However, I don't think I would ever be done with this because we just don't wear glitter all the time. So I think I'll have this for a pretty decent amount of time. This palette is just such a lifesaver. I'm someone who does not like to do a lot of eyeshadow looks. I'm just lazy. It takes a lot of work, and I also need to practice, and I don't feel like practicing. So I love things. I love doing like monochromatic looks. I love just doing like a wash of a crease color and then an all over color. Like that's just my jazz. So this is like a great palette for that because all I need to do is dab some on my finger, dab some on my eyeliner, and then I'm good. Did I say eyeliner? All I need to do is dab some on my finger, then dab some on my eye, and I am good to go. And the results looks like I spent a lot of time on my eyes when I didn't. And every time I use this on my eyes, my boyfriend always tells me that my eyes look nice. I think just like the crazy pops of glitter really stand out and do so much for your overall look. It's just amazing. It pops out so much that someone might think, oh my god, she's like an eyeshadow expert, she's like a makeup artist, like how did she do that to her eyes? Like at least that's how I feel when I look at my eyes. I'm just like, god, this looks really good. And all I did was I just dabbed it on my finger and then dabbed it on my eye. I didn't need a eyeshadow brush or anything like that. Oftentimes I'll just do like one color over my eyes. Sometimes I'll do my crease, like today I did my crease, and then I'll just pop the glitter. Either, most of the time I just pop it in the center, and it just is really the cherry on the top. I love this so much, and I love going throughout the day and occasionally looking at myself. Like it just looks so nice, and it just like makes your day so much better when you see glitter on your eyes. I love it so much. I love how some have like really chunky heavy glitters and some are just very minimal, like the one I'm wearing right now. It's subtle, but some are just like more boom, like heavier chunks of glitter. You get so much variety in this palette, and it's also super affordable, which I love. I actually think I said most of the reasons. Benji, don't do that when I'm making a video. You want to use your finger and not a brush because these do not transfer very well with the brush. There is absolutely no reason to use a brush unless you don't want to get your finger dirty, but it's so easy to get this stuff off your fingers. They don't transfer much. You might get a little bit on your face, but as you could, I don't remember if I brushed off any, but like if a little bit gets on you, which would only happen, then you could just go and like flick it off with your finger. You can use like a spoolie and get the remaining off. You could use a piece of tape and get some glitter off, but it does not fall out as much as other glitter eyeshadows do, as much as other eyeshadows do. And I have had times where I have used it and I had no fallout. It's very tacky, so it sticks very well and it doesn't like to fall off. I just highly recommend it. I think everyone needs to have this in their eyeshadow collection. I also really love the packaging. I'm really for these Colourpop cardboard style packaging. Let me know in the comments below, do you like the palettes with the mirrors on it, or do you like the palettes that are just all cardboard? I am all for the all cardboard ones. I don't need the plastic ones with the mirror because I don't know, I just don't like the way it feels. This one's just so much more quick and simple. It's also a little bit thinner, so it's easier to travel with, and I don't have to worry about a mirror breaking. I don't have to worry about like plastic cracking. So I like the cardboard packaging. I prefer it, and I really love how they designed this palette in particular. I guess that is it for this video. Yeah, that is it for this video. I was gonna say something, but I said forget it. It's gonna be too long. Yeah. So if you guys enjoyed it, make sure to like it, and also don't forget to subscribe to see more content like this. Colourpop has become a bit of a favorite of mine, so I'm gonna have more Colourpop content in the future. So make sure to subscribe. Make sure to tell your friends and family if they also like Colourpop, because I'm going to provide more Colourpop content for you guys. Anyways, I hope you guys are having a lovely day, and I hope to see you all in another video. Bye!